Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to fold Toyota Sienna seats. First, let's tackle the second row. Make sure the seatbelt is completely unbuckled and clear of the seat's path. Locate the lever, usually on the side of the seat near the bottom, and pull it firmly. This will release the seat back. Then, simply push the entire seat forward until it clicks securely into its flat, folded position. It's a straightforward process for maximizing your cargo space. Now, let's move to the third row, which offers a convenient stow-and-go feature. Before you begin, ensure the cargo area behind the seats is completely empty. Any items could obstruct the folding mechanism. Next, locate the strap on the back of the seat and pull it upwards. This action will release the seat back, allowing it to fold flat. Then, gently but firmly push the entire seat down into the floor well until you hear it latch securely. This creates a perfectly flat cargo floor. Bringing your seats back to their upright position is just as easy. For the third row, simply pull the release strap again, and the seat will spring back up. For the second row, lift the seat back until it clicks firmly into its upright, locked position. Always double-check that all seats are securely latched before driving. Finally, remember to adjust the headrests and slide the seats to their desired positions for passenger comfort and safety. It's a quick transformation. Here are a few final tips for folding your Sienna seats. Always take a moment to clear any items, like bags or toys, from around the seats before attempting to fold them. This prevents damage and ensures a smooth operation. Also, for safety, always confirm that all seats are securely latched, whether folded or upright, before you start driving. And hey, if you're looking for ways to improve your financial well-being, check the description for a link to a fantastic book and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.